Most people think you need 5 expensive tools to make money with affiliate marketing. Well, you don't. I've been doing this for 25 years, building channels, selling software, running courses. You only need 2 things that cost nothing to start: VidIQ and ChatGPT. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use them. Not theory, not a course, my actual workflow. One keyword turns into a YouTube video. 3 emails, a LinkedIn post, and a short, all in about 10 minutes. Let me show you. The first step is VidIQ. It's a YouTube growth tool, a Chrome extension. And the reason I use it is simple. It tells me exactly what people are searching for, how many people are searching for it, and how hard it is to rank for. No guessing, no hoping. I know which keyword to build my video around before I write a single word. So VidIQ is completely free to get started if you want to try it out. Let me show you how this works. So VidIQ has a lot of great features, but one of the best ones I think is the keyword research tool. So I'm in it now, and what it does is it gives me a lot of recommended keyword search terms already for my channel. And it tells me the search volume, so how many people on YouTube are actually typing this in, and the competition, is it high, medium or low, and it puts an overall score against it. So these are the main metrics to look for, and of course here the number of words in the actual search titles here, the search keywords. So I can actually type my own keyword in here. For example, if I wanted to type in affiliate marketing on LinkedIn, it would then come up with a bunch of suggestions. So here at the top we can see affiliate marketing on LinkedIn. The search volume is pretty poor. As you can see, it's less than 750. The competition is low, so I probably wouldn't go for something like that. Again, the same with this one here. So if I now go back to my main list that VidIQ initially gave me, and I look through this, one thing that does appeal is this one here called ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. It's got 152,422 people searching for it, and it has low competition, and it's given it a score of 75, which means it's a pretty good one to go with. So I could take that keyword, ClickBank Affiliate Marketing, and I could then start to sketch out what I want to do with it. Okay, so now I've got my keyword. I'm going to look for a product that I can promote as an affiliate. And one of the best places to go is a place called ClickBank, and you'll find that at clickbank.com. And ClickBank has a marketplace full of products, mainly digital products, that you can promote as an affiliate and earn a commission. So at the top here they have different categories: top offers, new offers. They have health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age, self-help, home and garden, e-commerce, green products, business and investing. Now, because my keyword is actually ClickBank, it's probably going to fall under the e-business and e-marketing category. So I'm going to go into that and I'm going to look for a suitable product to promote. So immediately I can see there's a ClickBank product here. My keyword is ClickBank Affiliate Marketing. So this product is probably going to be pretty congruent, pretty suitable. So what is it? Well, it says join the ClickBank Profit Club for free to access a done-for-you ClickBank affiliate system, training and follow-up process to help you earn commissions while building your list. VIP members receive done-for-you member recruitment and higher commissions. So I'm actually a member of this product anyway. So, I know what it's about. And we can see here down at the bottom the gravity is 76.3, and gravity basically means the amount of people who are actually promoting this product. So I don't think it's too bad here. So what I need to do now is get my affiliate link. So just click on this blue button here, and then down the bottom here I have my affiliate link, so I could just copy that. So now I've got my keyword from VidIQ. I'm now going to get AI, or in this case ChatGPT, to write me a YouTube title and a description. So I'm going to feed it a prompt, and I'm going to be saying, I'm an affiliate marketer with 25 years of experience. Give me 5 YouTube video titles targeting the keyword ClickBank affiliate marketing. And I want it under 60 characters, lead with the keyword, no clickbait, honest and direct, and American English. So let's send that off. And it comes back with 5 titles here that I could potentially use. ClickBank Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2026 Guide, ClickBank Affiliate Marketing, My Simple Process, and there's some others here. I'm not going to read them all, but it's given quite a lot here, and it also the top 3 picks it's given here. So I could pick one of these to use as the title for my YouTube video. So now I could get it to write my YouTube description for the video as well. So I've given it another prompt here, and I'm saying write a YouTube description for a video titled ClickBank Affiliate Marketing for Beginners 2026 Guide, because remember, that's the title I picked from the list of titles that ChatGPT gave me earlier. Start with a keyword-rich sentence, include my affiliate link naturally, and I've dropped my affiliate link in here from ClickBank that I got. Keep it under 200 words, no hype, honest tone, American English. So if I send that off now, and ChatGPT gives me a description for my YouTube video with my affiliate link embedded in there, and it's also given me some nice hashtags that I can use as well. So now I have my title and my description for my YouTube video. So now that I've got the title for my video and the description, I can go ahead and create that video and then upload it to my channel. So now I come back to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask it to write me a series of emails to promote that affiliate product. It can also create me Facebook posts if I want as well. But for now, I've got a prompt. So I'm saying here, write a 3 email follow-up sequence for someone who just signed up for a free affiliate marketing guide. So email 1, welcome and deliver the guide. Email 2, introduce Systeme.io as the best free email tool to start with, and include the link that I've given here. So email 3, recommend the ClickBank Profit Club as the best training for beginners, and include this link. So I've added my affiliate links into this prompt, and then I've said friendly, honest, no hype, under 150 words each. So I'm going to send that off now and see what it comes back with. This is obviously the first email that's going to go out, so they're going to get their free affiliate marketing guide, and it's saying, hi, thanks for requesting the guide, you can download it here. Then I'll put the download link to the product. I could host that on something like Google Drive if I want to, or Dropbox or something like that, and I just drop that link in there to the guide. And then it's written the rest of the message here. And it looks pretty good. You can obviously change it to your own kind of voice if you want to. Here's email 2. Subject is the free tool I'd start with today. And now it's actually started to drop affiliate links in. So the free tool it's talking about is Systeme.io. So it talks about it, how you can build landing pages, collect emails, subscribers, send emails, and then it adds the affiliate link that I gave. So the third email, the training I'd recommend for beginners. Here it talks about the affiliate product that I found on ClickBank, the ClickBank Profit Club, and then it's added my link in here as well. Pretty good there, 3 emails it's given me, and then all I'd need to do for each one is to just click this button here where it says copy, and take that into my autoresponder. So I'd copy each email. So this would go out as soon as they opt in for the guide, they get that email, and then I could perhaps send this on day 1 and this one on day 2. So now we're going to use the same keyword and 2 more pieces of content, a LinkedIn post and a YouTube short script. Now watch how fast this is. So back into ChatGPT, and so I'm going to give it a new prompt. So I'm saying turn this topic, and then I put my keyword in that I got from VidIQ, ClickBank affiliate marketing, into a LinkedIn post for affiliate marketers and online business beginners. Professional but conversational. Mention that Systemi.io has a free plan to start and include my link here. And make this post under 150 words. Send it off. And here we have it. I have a post that I can take and put onto LinkedIn. Let's drop my affiliate link in here. And it's also given me some hashtags I can use as well. So I could just copy that post and then come along to LinkedIn, start a post, paste it in there, and probably just format it a little bit as well. But that's how easy it is just to create that LinkedIn post using ChatGPT. I could ask it to create a suitable image as well. And it comes back with this. The ChatGPT image generation has vastly improved in the latest version. And this is definitely something I could use. So then I just download this image and I drop it into my LinkedIn post here. And it looks like it's ready to go. So then I would just click on this post button. So now I'm going to ask it to do something similar. So I'm saying turn that LinkedIn post into a 45-second YouTube short script. Hook in the first 3 seconds, end with a call to action to click the link in bio. So let's send that off. And here's my script. So it's given my hook here and some narration. Again, for scene 2, similar thing. ClickBank gives you access to thousands of products to promote. That's the easy part. So I'll be narrating that out. And more narration here for scene 3. Text on screen, no audience, no sales. And then we have a scene 4 as well. And for scene 5, it just says keep it simple, one offer, one traffic source, one system. And the narration is similar to that as well. And the call to action, well, it's given the free System.io link in bio, but I could change that to be the ClickBank product if I want to. So I could then come into Canva and create a new project, YouTube Shorts. So I'd select that template, and then I could start working on that YouTube short. So there you have it. One keyword from VidIQ, 1 YouTube video, 3 emails, a LinkedIn post, a YouTube short. That's a full week of content from a single 10-minute ChatGPT session. So that's the system. The links to everything, the ClickBank profit system, Systemi.io, and VidIQ are all in the description below the video. I'll see you in the next video.